my vivacious friends. Life has gotten busy the last few months, so I haven't done as many bold moves or dared to live as boldly as I would have liked or been able to share with you. But now I'm back, and I'm excited to tell you about my bold move of the week. I've been doing so much spokesperson work and commercial videos and webinars lately, which has been such a blessing to have all of this work come in. So I took it a step further by reaching out to a client I had recently completed a large project for and told them an idea I had for continued work with them in the future, and they loved it. So the takeaway being, turn that idea into action. And as always, stay vivacious.